Good morning, my dear students. Starting today's session with exercise 4.2. In previous video, we have solved exercise 4.1, and before that also we have learned what is solution of the equation. So we have learned that the value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called as solution of the given equation. And we also know that linear equation in two variable has infinite solution, right? So now we will solve the exercise depend upon it. So we start exercise number 4.2. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equals to 3x plus y, 3x plus 5 has unique solution, only two solutions, or infinitely many solutions. Which option will be correct? Exactly, infinitely many solutions. Why? As it is linear equation in two variables, linear equation in two variables has infinite solution. Okay, so that will be its reason. Starting with question number 2. Question number 2 is, write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. First equation is 2x plus y equals to 7. Question number 2. 1. 2x plus y is equals to 7. We have to write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. We have to write 4 solutions. See, here for writing solutions, we know that there are infinitely many solutions. So for writing solutions, what we used to do? We used to put the value of any one variable by our own, and we will get the value of another variable that will satisfy the equation. So we will go by that method. You can directly put, or you can express this equation with one variable. With variable means you can compare with one variable means I am sending 2x to that side. So it will be y is equals to 7 minus 2x. Equation number 1. Now I am putting the value in this equation. For x equals to 1. Okay? What we will get? Equation 1 will imply y is equals to 7 minus 2 into x. X means 1. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Another, this we have got first solution. Another one, put for x is equals to 2, you may put. So what you will get? Equation 1 implies y is equals to 7 minus 2 into x equals to 2. So 7 minus 4, that is equals to 3. दो सॉल्यूशंस हो गए, एक 1 5, दूसरा हुआ 2 3. For third will go for x is equals to minus 2. What you will get? Equation 1 will give y is equals to 7 into minus 2. Instead of x, what you will put now? Minus 2. So what you will get? 7 minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Again 1, because we have to find out I think 4 solutions, right? Yes. So now for x is equals to 3, what do you get? Equation 1 implies y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 3. So 7 minus क्या आएगा? 2 3 का 6 is equals to 1. Therefore 4 solutions होंगे, और therefore we can write therefore first one is 1, 5. दूसरा 2,3, 2,3, then -2,11 and 3,1, 3,1 are what? 4 solutions, 4 solutions for given equation. Okay, in this way we have to solve this question. Again, one question I am solving of this, that is question number second. Pi x plus y equals to 9. Pi x plus y equals to 9. You can do like this. Send pi to that side. So y will become 9 minus pi x. Now put the values of x, you will get the values of y. Some different method I am doing, some more different. For x is equals to 1. For x is equals to 1. What you will get? Equation 1 will give y is equals to 9 minus pi into 1. That is 9 minus pi. No need to put the value of pi, it is irrational. You don't know the perfect value of it, that is 3.14 or 22/7. You don't need to put into that. Put it as it is, so keep it as it is. Therefore, we can write here also x equals 1 comma 9 minus pi is one of the solution of given equation. Next, for x is equals to 2, solid equation 1 implies y is equals to 9 minus pi into 2, that is 2 pi. So it will be 9 minus 2 pi. So if you put 2, the another value of y is 9 minus 2 pi. So therefore 1 comma 9 minus 2 pi is another solution of given equation. Correct? Like this, I have put 2 values. You can put again 2 values and you can find out the remaining solutions of the given equation. Okay? So this is how you can find out the solutions of the given equation. But writing answer in word is very important. Okay? And here I have done 1 comma 9 minus 2 pi r नहीं लिखा मैंने यहाँ पे is लिखा है क्योंकि ये एक सॉल्यूशन है, ये दोनों मिला के एक सॉल्यूशन है. is a solution of given equation. Okay? And this way you can put the values of x, whatever you mean, you will get the value of y. Or you can put the values of y, you will get the values of x corresponding to value of y. Okay? No or nothing difficult in this. Just have to put the value of one variable, you will get the value of other variable. That will be called as solution of the given equation. Okay? Next question, that is question number 3. It is very easy. 2 I have done. 2 you have to do. solution of given equation. ठीक है. Second one is we have to check for 2, 0. 2, 0 क्या आएगा? 2, 0 के लिए put. Now here x is 2 and y is 0. So LHS, what's our LHS? X minus 2y. What will come? What is x? 2 minus 2 into 0. क्या आएगा? 2 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So it is 2. So LHS is equals to 2. But what is RHS? 4. So here also LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore same 2, 0 is not the solution. Okay, now checking for third one, or I will check for fourth one directly. Root 2, 4 root 2. Fourth one, root 2, 4 root 2. Put x equals to root 2 and y equals to 4 root 2. So LHS, what is LHS? X minus 2y. X minus 2y. What do we get? X is root 2 2 and y is equals to 1. What you will get? 2 into 2 plus 3 into y. What is y? 1 equals to k. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 equals to k. 4 plus 3 is 7. So k is equals to 7. Here also we have to write the answer in what? Therefore k equals to 7 is the value of k if x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is solution of given equation. Okay, so here we have finished exercise 4.2. Wherever, whatever, whenever you have any problem, please ask me. Okay, don't hesitate to ask any type of query to me. Okay, it's tough time, so be tough.